introduce you to the future of machine automation. Komatsu is proud that you can participate in the worldwide introduction of the first intelligent machine control unit. Over here you can see our D61 PXI-23 dozer, and up here you find the prototype of our PC210 LCI excavator. We would now like to introduce you to this prototype of what will be Komatsu's future direction in machine technology. These new units combine innovative, integrated intelligence to offer you as a customer a great reduction in operating costs. But maybe you are wondering how it is possible to operate two machines of this size on such a limited area. Well, the answer is simple. Use machines that do a precise job without the need of people running around measuring, etc., and simply using a system which gives you perfect visibility over the whole job site. Just take a look at the recently introduced Komatsu D61 PXI-23. The first big advantage is a small advantage and clearly visible. The slanted nose. No one else can offer you better visibility in all directions and also especially over the blade like this machine. Enjoy this excellent visibility with Peter, who will operate the D61 PXI-23 for you. Another point, which is maybe not so obvious, is that this is a full machine control system with factory integrated 3D surface. The slant nose with unbeatable blade vision will help him greatly with this task. An even greater benefit for you, as you can see on the screen, is that the D61 PXI-23 dozer supplies you with very accurate as-built data from your job site. It doesn't matter if the blade is up, down, or even somewhere in between. The dozer will always supply the exact job site profile and making it possible for you to know by the end of the day how much material you have moved, what the final area will look like, and so on. Please have a look at the screen again because we're still not finished with the new innovations. An additional feature is the standard installed fully automatic blade load control system. The result, the dozer can always work at 100% efficiency, virtually eliminating overload and track slip. In Hall B5, Komatsu introduced you to the PC210 LCI prototype with machine guidance. But out here, we can go one step further and let you have a closer look at our PC210 LCI prototype with machine control. This machine unit is fitted with a large HMI 12.1-inch monitor that shows you a clear job site plan, as well as section and profile views. And this is showing real-time accurate movement thanks to the new Komatsu stroke sensor cylinders. And this is a completely factory-installed system which is always ready to use and doesn't require any aftermarket installation anymore. So let's look together with a real live show, both outside and also inside the cabin, of this prototype and seeing it, following it, a preset design surface working in automatic mode. Bernd will first provide you creating a slope. So let's join Bernd in his cabin and follow what information he can see on his large 12.1-inch monitor screen, and pay special attention please to the real-time view that he gets from the bucket movement. There's no delay anymore, and every small movement of the bucket is immediately showing on the screen, allowing him to work much faster and more accurately. But maybe you notice already that Bernd is a nice person waving to you all the time. And this is simply because the machine partially takes over his job. He's less stressed, but still does a great job. This automatic control system not only allows Bernd to work faster, but also more accurately, as the bucket will follow the design surface target. So now let's take a look at a 30-degree slope with the boom and arm fully stretched. Watch the screen again and experience the real-time movement. This has been achieved with the new robust stroke sensor cylinders, which immediately transfer any small movement of boom, arm and bucket immediately on the monitor screen. So just imagine you don't need to do any manual control of the final area anymore with a bucket. And this is exactly what Komatsu's future machine control will offer you. Fast and precise work. More good news is that this system not only works for fine leveling, but also is very effective for bulk digging, boosting your productivity and profit even more. Now let's take a look at how fast and accurate the system also works when we introduce a swing function. Told me that this system is so easy to operate that even I can do it. So let's find out and give it a try. Let's see if I can also create a nice even surface like a real professional, and believe me, I haven't done that before ever. Thank you, Bernd. I think the most difficult part is to get up here. So, let's see what we got here. They told me that all I need to do is to lift that arm up, and as you can see, I'm only using one hand. More I don't need. Want to do that again? Okay. It might look a bit clumsy because I'm not a professional when it comes to that, but I think I need to bring the bucket down again, so we can try it out again. So, see, I'm again just using my left hand, and the bucket is following that preset design surface. This is really, really easy. And I'm quite convinced with that new technology, and I hope you are as well. So, if you like, I would like to invite you to visit our tent, where you can try out this new technology as well in our Operators Challenge. Thank you very much. And you're also invited in Hall B5, where you can learn about more our intelligent machine control systems, our new Stage 3B engines, and hybrid technology. And just remember, Komatsu's 3 I's. Innovative, integrated intelligence that can help you as a customer reduce your operational costs. Have a nice evening and enjoy Baumarkt.